How to log in on Outlook. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can log in on Outlook within some steps. So before going further with the process, make sure to hit that like and subscribe option. So let's get started. So the very first option is download the Outlook application on the device and tap on it. After that, you can see add account and create new account on your home page. So what you need to do is tap on add account. You may just enter the account that you're trying to log in. And just tap on the account and tap on continue. After that, you'll be taken to this interface. Just tap on your email address that you're using right now and tap on continue. After that, scroll down and tap on continue again. After that, the authentication will start and tap on maybe later. And you have successfully logged into your Outlook account very easily. So in this way, you can log in an Outlook app very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.